Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. How's everybody doing today? Hope you have a very nice day. It's Thursday, August 30th, and it's the end of the day recap right here. Stock market's spooky, but this is something we've been waiting for in the Mojo chat room. Quite a phenomenal day of magnificent. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. How's everybody doing? I got that off there. Okay, check this out. Let's scroll back a little bit right here. Did some good comicals in the beginning of the day too. Some good teachings today as well in the room. Hopefully everybody can learn from what I'm talking about. You know, I watched what other people are doing. A lot of people are off the reservation and so forth. Just got an email about this guy right here. Check out my YouTube. A couple people made money and went live today. A couple people didn't. Let me show you. All right. So we finished right up here. We're trading at 938. And we're trading NNDM. Was not the big winner though. These are all the stocks. Nothing had made its move yet. 5,000 MTSL at 211, 2,000 NNDM, 10,000 TVIX, and 2,000 ZYNE. Pro Trader Joe. These are his positions right here. Up and down. And then these are still the positions. And then trading a $2,000 account. Alan made 207, 100, 300, 300. Nice job. Little tiny account right there for grandson. I trade multiple accounts as well. TVIX 5,000 left, up 1,200. Started the day, finished with 20,000 on the day. That's when I was up 1,200. Stay on the reservation and trade TVIX with me. That's what this means. Everyone should have sweaty palms. Well, that was the hashtag in the beginning of the day. A couple of hashtags that I put out here this morning. IGC, here we go. IGC, the pick of the year. IGC went to 214 from 72 cents. I mean, my competition does this pick, they'd be on CNBC. I do it, nobody even knows about it. Nobody even knows about it. And then you go onto YouTube, and right here, inbox subscriptions, because I'm subscribed to everybody. And here's what I got. Here you go. One step forward, one step back. We're all lost $1,000 again. And it says in the notes, it says right here, and I'm like, what? Where is that? Come on. It says something about he needs to get his mojo going. And I'm like, what? But the person wasn't referring to me. He needs to get his mojo going. Yeah, he's been losing a lot. Today's for us is Sweaty Hands Day. Hashtag Sweaty Hands Day. That's what we got going. So let's scroll down a little bit and let's get some sweaty hands right here as our stocks are looking to make a big move. And what do we have? Let's catch up. Right here. Guy goes, I mean, this is unbelievable. Like, I have time for this shit. People send me these crazy. I watched your video today. I'm a former client. I'm not going to pad your ego, nor am I going to rag on what you do. I made some money with you. Also lost a fortune on a biotech company we traded. Followed your rules and surveys. Said the company was taken to court for hiring a stock promoter. I lost 35K. Trade, it was the Hulk and triggered a few other your flags. The problem is I saw the video and I was buying the stock at 3 for the opportunity for entry. After hours, like 8, huge swing in the up market. small limited time frame there was. I literally had to put in a bid after something alerted, then on the hype with 50 cents. Honestly, I like your system, but you're egotistical with things. It makes it hard for me to want to spend money with you, he says. I'm not ragging on you. I find a lot of arrogant, but I'm honestly run a lot of businesses at my young age, and you ain't got swagger. It ain't gonna work for me and my subsidiaries. He wants to give me, he give me $3,000, and I'm gonna turn that into 160,000 in 2 months, and 70 to me and 70 to him. Dude, why don't you give me 300 grand? I turned it into 1.6 million, and we split that. This is a waste of my time. It's a waste of my time. He goes, I got a straight draw to your flush draw. What am you going to do? I think you're bluffing. Slam me on your YouTube. I'm not slamming nobody. Nobody's names were mentioned. But we don't need that. I don't need that. Dow's down 75. TVIX is going to pop. That's what I need. That's what I need. I need to get into TVIX to make a lot of money right here. Everyone's going to make a lot of money. TVIX. So TVIX, I'm down $174. Sitting with 10,000 shares at 31.30. Sitting. Made $1,500. How did I wind up with 20 grand? Let me show you. Stock made a move right there from 31.30. I'm up 2,500. No problem. Selling some right there. Up 3 grand. 8,000 left. Made 5 grand with an unrealized on TVIX. Another 1,000. Up $6,000 trading it today. Everyone's following very orderly on the triangle. Right there, it's moving. Unrealized 1,275 on 6,000 left. Making a beautiful move higher right there. Just like I said it was. It's going to move higher. Beautiful. Up 65.05 flat. Great trade. Made 4 G's on MTSL and 3 G's on TV. Lost a G3 on IGC. And then right here, this guy says CVMs. We don't need CVM. Don't want to get CVM. Don't look at CVM. Okay? Never been in another room. Started on CVM at 81 cents. Well, I don't need to know about CVM. I don't trade that. Tom says, I first found Mojo when I started researching what to do. I was immediately turned on by the quality of the room. Out of curiosity, I did go check out a couple others, and they were horrible from the start. My advice is to follow the Mojo system and don't look back. And if you want to join the Mojo, you can't anymore. If you go to mojodaytrading.com, right here, here's the home page. It's just my blog. You can review all my stories and check all this out, but that's all that Mojo is right now. It's going to be changing. You're not going to be able to just join Mojo Day Trading. Now, we did a trade review right here on his trades and what he did wrong. He bought 100, 100, 200, 100 at 31, 30, 48, 31, and 19 and sold it for a profit. Rebought it back, sold 200 for a profit, rebought back here, sold here, rebought here, and got auto closed there. What did he do wrong? We went through this today. It's obvious to me. It was unobvious to everyone else. And I gave him a trade review on what happened here and what he did and how he can get better so he doesn't do it again. Because if he didn't sell at 31.06 and under, it's at 32.25. He would have made a fortune. But instead he got rid of the day and he couldn't do it. And this guy lost on MTSL but wasn't auto closed. Shouldn't be trading it. It's ace rag. Right here. You buy on the X, it goes lower, you scale in, as soon as it ticks back up to break even, you get out. That's the problem he missed. Good lesson. That's why I'm 95% accurate. Mojo tip. If the trade doesn't work in the first 5 minutes, the odds go down 50% that it's not going to work at all. These are the tips my traders follow in the room. We're going to trade INSEE through 10. It did right there. PTIE through $1. Then we traded right here. TVIX 31.72, big trade. We're going to buy 75. We're going to buy 80. We're going to buy 85. We're going to buy 90. We're going to buy 95. And we're going to buy 32. Okay? Watch this. This is the money ball at 11.59. Watch. Now, I've told you before, Pro Trader Mike's spot on, bottom line. If you follow his picks, you're going to make money. The newsletter from this week rocks. I'll get with it, Fred. Your hesitation has always been your problem. You can't recognize a good thing. You're always following the hype. You'll not learn. Take a look at the screen. It's July's trade results. Have you ever seen such consistent results? I'd say, no way, my man. Look at this. Honey, FXCM just opened. We profited $1 million on the MOJO. Great. I want a divorce. Some of my comics. Looks like a rocket scientist failed miserably. Maybe we should be looking at becoming a pro trader and building up the bank account. This was one of my first newsletters in 2013. That was my logo. This is a good one. What pick was that last week from Pro Trader Mike you scored on? The market was down 200 points. Mojo scored on that UVXY. Oh, yeah, I followed too late and I bought the next day. Now I'm down 2 points and I'm losing money. I'm so glad I subscribed to Mojo Swing for $99 a month. Look at these profits in the day trade room right now. Are you freaking kidding me? 6,000 in one trade? Arg, I won in on that Mojo. Better recognize. Some got the Mojo. Just go to the website and sign up. But you can't. And that's what we did. I Bitcoin mine and my electric bill's $1 million a month and I don't even pay it. What do you got to say about that, Mr. Bonds? Doing a little Bitcoin mining there. You didn't know that in that movie, he was Bitcoin mining. TVIX, new trade, 4,000 left at 31.73. Have made 39.80, unrealized 3 grand. Wow, Rhodesy says it's going higher. 32.54. I'm up 9,000. Got 1,000 TVIX left. I'm up 6 grand. But that's not the big trade. That's not the big trade. This, all of a sudden, the stock went from 31 to 33. A gift right there. Made 6,490 on 10,000 shares, up 760. Check it out. Now I'm up 1612. 13,793, book 10, unrealized 1.6, got 10,000 left. Now I'm up 2 grand. Now I added to the position. Adding. Who adds to a winner? I did. I went from 32.16 to 32.25 average. Maxed out the whole account, 2,212. Then it started to run, up 5,412. Yes, Rhodesy's cashing in. Right there, cashing in some profits. Sold half, got 3,000 unrealized left. 13.7, 3.6 left on 8,000. I'm up 18 grand with an unrealized 2 on 5,000 left. Booked 15, unrealized 21 hunch. Booked 20,000, got 1,500 left. Book done, flat, 17,565. Realized 20,820 on the day. Let's compound that to $500,000 a month, shall we? But the market doesn't give you that. It only gives you that 3 times a month. That's what it does. Amazing. Ramey made more money. He made more money. He made more money. Went through 33 at 21,320 for the day. And then this guy started saying something about CVM, which was rude, just as I had a big position at TVIX, so he was a member and I kicked him out. He apologized. I kicked him out. I don't care. Here he was right here. I'll show you what he did. Evo Domain. I said, you want to cost me thousands of dollars looking at CVM when the entire room is in TVIX, and then you laugh at me when I call you out? That's rude. Don't throw snowballs at the delivery guy, which is me, and then laugh in my face after you do that. I didn't intend to laugh at you, but you did. Just just that I couldn't bank off TV because I don't have a lot of money to buy in. And it was only a side comment to the question I asked a couple of days ago. But you're right, Mike. I'm sorry. I learned a lot. Thanks. I told him you can get 6-to-1 buying power, $500 minimum. I just took that account from 500 to 4K on TradeX. Get back in the room and don't fool around. And that's what we did because TV was running, man. TV was running right there. Look, 32.77 buy, selling Heinz, selling it again right off the triangle. Boom, 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 boom. And that's what we did, how we finished the day. Say hello to my little friend. Look at you, Ramy. I love that. Love that. And that's how we finished the day, trading in the MOJO Day Trade room. People made a lot of money. A lot of money. Everyone made a lot of money today. I went from 9 grand done for the day, and then TV exploded, and I doubled it up. Took the opportunity and doubled it right there from 9 to 21,320. And people don't make that in a year. People make that, and that's a year, half a year's salary right there in a day on one beautiful move on TV right there that I've been waiting for. Dow is down 60, 70 all day. Been waiting for the dump. Boom. Just like it does it the other way around, it did it this way. And I can go back and show you many days where it did it the other way around, where it made that big spike down and not up. But I just caught it right there. The biggest one ever. I've been waiting for it. And that's it. That's how you make money. With patience. You got to be down sometimes to make money on the way up. I also have the stock here. I have 3 stocks here on StockHoot. I have closed half the position of TVIX at 32.51. I have it at 31.16. I'm up 4.33%. I have Rewalk at 102 and 106. And I have 258,000 cash available. Closed position. Closed out the TV at 33.04 for a $3,700 profit. TV 7,000, TV 14, lost 11 and made 42. There you go. Been trading it since this was the other big day right here, August 15th. Just happened again today, 15 days later. I'm on another thing that's new called Stockstream TV right here. And I have Rewalk as one of my trade recommendations. And you guys should check out this community right here. It's called Stockstream TV. It's growing. And I joined them, and I'm doing some streaming right there. There's my stream on Stockstream. So, for the time being, you'll be able to watch me trade from the YouTube. And if you contact me at info@mojodaytrading.com, we can talk about you coming into the MOJO Day Trade room and being a pro trader. But I'm only looking for people that want to do this as a career and want to day trade for a living. If you want to day trade for a living, you know how to contact me. Woohoo, look at the TV signal at 33 going through right now. Look, 200 at 33.10 going right there like a magnet. This is how you read level 2. So I would buy in anticipation. If he's still there, he's here at 10, right here, the big number. So you'd buy in anticipation of going to that right there.
I don't see Ryan here in your contacts.
He's there.
Perhaps you meant one of...
What? What the hell's that? He's still there. So he's still there right now. You'd want to buy right here in anticipation of going through that. And he was right here. Look, I'll show you. He's right here. So you want to buy right now. He's going to go through 33, and he's going to blast right up there to that line where he was at. So you want to buy 32.77, 32.80, 32.90, even 33. And then you could sell it through. See, 32.77, 32.80, 32.90. See, it's going to go right to 33.10. See, there he is again, the 200. He's still there. See, I told you. I told you. He's there. You see him. He's here. Look, there he is. Told you. I got him. I caught him. He's going there. This is big money for everybody. The low risk. There's 10 cents on the downside if you buy from here, but it's going through 33.10. This is what you do. How would I know right now it hasn't made 3 bars up? In 10 minutes, it's going to be up 3 bars. And 30 going to be like, holy shit. He knew that 15 minutes ago. How the hell did he know how that chart was going to go through whatever you want to call MACD, Bollinger, Fibonacci, stochastical average, linear regression, whatever you want to call it's bullshit. Watch. I could take my chips now, load up in a position with my signal ready to buy again, and ready to rock and roll. What do you need, Chief? What do you need, Chief? Hey, Mike, any news on the demo for me? What demo? Finished up the trust sessions and okay. Been killing me like a zombie. A lot of courses. Man, is there any second shot at the demo? Yeah. It was never taken away. Never taken away. So we're at 32.80 by 75. It'll go there. And that's it, guys. That's how we trade. I'm gonna go there quick. He's gone now. Look, he's gone, but he's still there. You says you're locked out. Okay, so we'll unlock it tomorrow. After you get auto closed, you get locked out for the day. We can unlock it tomorrow. I'll take a look right now. No, I can't look right now for I'm doing the show. There you go, watch. 33 in a heartbeat. Go 33.40. Through that 10, go to 33.40. That's a 60-cent move from here. How did I know that's going to happen? Watch. I don't get enough recognition, and people just like a lot of people and alerts, I guess. You should like to follow people that lose money. People like to follow people that lose money. And I guess it's too good to be, whatever's too good to be true, it is. And that saying had to come up from something. There must have been some guy that had something that was too good to be true. And a lot of people missed it. And then they said, oh, if it's too good to be true, it probably doesn't work. And then all the other ones after that were too good to be true, and they never worked, but they missed that one. Well, that wouldn't have come up. Come on, after hours trading. Mojo ain't sitting here for nothing. Come on now, they filling me. I'm just gonna buy it, man. You know what I'm saying? They ain't filling me for what I want. Dude, I want like 2,000 shares. Got like nothing. Made 18 grand. I can buy more if I want. Getting measly crap. Measly. Look. Got 500 measly shares at 32.79. Now the trade 80. There you go. Look, they're buying 80. 8,000 just went off at 80. See, I trigger it all. There's the 500 at 79. See that? 8,000. It's going to go right through there. Right? He's selling part of that 200 right there, but he's got a lot to go. And that's on EDGX. Yep, see you tomorrow, guy. And he's selling it right there on NSDQ. So he's using all the routes. La-di-da-di-da. That's what happens. So let's check out some other news while we have another minute. My mining farm is running beautifully. Oh, so beautiful. All right, let's see what we got over here. We got 21,000, bang. Yep, DJ did good today, kind of early. Still trying to enjoy the summer. What? Too bad. Everyone, small people always say that. See that? This guy, Nick, he's just a small person. Guys, you should let people show the Lamborghinis and the train, the hotels and the houses and the cars and and all that. The car was a lease. The house they rent. They don't own. It's flash. It's flashy. If I was 30 years old, 25 years ago, like these guys were, I've been trading for 25 years. I'm in my 50s. If I was 25 or 30, I would show the boat. I would show the jet skis, the motorcycles, the cars, the sick pads, multiple, flashy. But once you do that, and then you make it, and then you do it, and then you don't really own it then, but then you make it and own all that, you don't want to show everybody. So all the guys that show you that are at the stage where it's all rented, and it's like you have like when you're house poor, when you live in a big old house and have a big old car nut, but you got no money to put the gas in. Because people don't, with a lot of money, don't flash it. And if you don't realize that, then you're a small person and an enemy of the state. Just looking to put the next guy down. 85. We're going to 90 now. 80 bid, 85 bid. Told you. Look how I knew that was going to happen. Okay? 80 bid to 85 bid. They're going to take the 88s going right to 94. Watch. Watch. Didn't have it on the right screen. But it went 80. Watch. We're going to go 80 bid. You watch that for a second there.